into Craft Club. My name is Heather, and today we are going to be making egg carton flowers. For this project, you will need 1 egg carton, an assortment of bamboo skewers, scissors, hot glue or tacky glue, and an assortment of paint. Let's get started. Begin by prepping your egg carton. Start by removing its lid. Next, remove the lip from the bottom of the egg carton. Then cut the bottom of the egg carton in half and cut each of its pieces individually. These will become your flowers. Once all the individual pieces are prepared, trim off all the excess. You can then begin prepping your flowers. One of the easiest ways to create a flower is by cutting the piece into fourths. You can also cut your flower into eighths. Here are some examples to inspire you. As you can see, I stacked egg carton flowers on top of egg carton flowers to add some dimension. Once your egg carton flowers are prepared, it's time to paint them. Make sure you leave time for them to dry before moving on. Once they're dry, it's time to glue all the pieces together. Next, glue the flowers to the bamboo skewers. As you can see, I painted my bamboo skewers green. You can choose to paint them any color you'd like. And there you have it, egg carton flowers. Once they're glued to skewers, put them into a vase for a beautiful flower arrangement. Pair this craft with the book, The Land of Flowers by Thea Stilton. In the Land of Flowers, join Thea and her sisters as they travel to help a new magical land. The sisters will encounter fairies and other strange creatures as they work together to solve a mystery to save the realm from peril. Ask your parent or guardian to place a hold on this book today. Thanks for tuning in to Craft Club. See you next time.